Android car stereo with navigation 9-inch touchscreen, double-DIN car stereo with Bluetooth 2-DIN Android head unit GPS navigation for car VW Volkswagen Golf Passat Tiguan Polo Jetta Skoda seat. The car stereo with navigation with Android 8.0 OS, Rockchip T3 Cortex A9 Quad, Core 1.6 GHz, RAM 2 GB. Fast and smooth processing speed makes it to access to any applicaions easily. 9-inch HD 1024x600 capacitive touchscreen display will inform and entertain you. Responsive on-screen controls, access and control is a breeze. Bluetooth design offers hands-free phone call assistance, support Wi-Fi, OP2, DAB, Bluetooth, dual zone and steering wheel control functions. Mirroring with your iPhone is allowed. Universal double-DIN car stereo, only comes with a universal ISO power cable. Please double check the ISO port and dimension, or contact us in advance before placing an order. You have our product quality guarantee and professional customer service. And we offer our customer 12 months warranty. OS, Android 7.1 system, CPU, Rockchip 3188 Cortex A9 Quad Core 1.6 GHz, RAM, DDR3 2GB, Flash, 16GB, Radio, FM, AM, RDS, DAB/DAB+, GPS, offline map card preloaded, support Google Maps online navigating, support other Android navigation app. Screen, 9-inch capacitive HD touchscreen, video decoder, 1080p, Wi-Fi, built-in, resolution, 1024x600, music format, MP3 WMA, AAC, RM, FLAC etc. Video format, MPEG 1/2/4 H264 H263 VC1 RV, RMVB, DivX, Sorensen Spark, VP8 AVS stream, FM frequency range, 87.5 to 108 MHz. 0.05 MHz EU/0.1 MHz US, AM frequency range, 522 1620 kHz, 9 kHz EU/10 kHz US, DAB/DAB+, yes DAB box not included. Compatible video format, DivX/MP4/MP3/MP2/, dual zone. Yes, navigating while music playing. Online nav, yes, support Google Maps online navigating. Bluetooth phone, yes, hand-free calls. To purchase this product, link in the description.